Katya, the wall is here. We brace now.
Da, Alexei, we face it. Hold firm.
Storm's coming. Hurry with the wood.
Almost done. The herd is getting restless.
Good. We need to move. Wind's picking up. Hold it tight.
I've got it. Pull harder.
Almost there. One more pull.
Done. It's secure. Alexei, the blizzard monster!
Katya, to the tent! Hold on!
It's shaking apart! We must secure it!
Inside, now! Katya, the storm is getting worse. We can't stay here much longer.
I know. We must be ready to move.
Blizzard's getting worse. We must hold on.
The tent won't last. We have to move.
Not yet. We wait for the eye. It's burning.
Good. The storm is getting worse.
We'll make it. Katya, stay close. The cold is fierce tonight.
I am, Alexei. Your warmth keeps me alive.
Katya, the cold is fierce tonight.
But our fire burns bright, my love.
As long as we have each other. The storm is fierce. Stay warm.
Be careful, Alexei.
I will. The herd needs us. Easy now, little one. I have to do this.
Alexei, stop! The storm is too strong.
Katya, what are you doing?
We wait. It's too dangerous. Alexei, we must keep going. The tribe needs us.
Katya, I'm sick of word.
We survive together. Now more than ever.
This is the last of the dry wood.
No. Without it, we'll freeze.
I know. Katya, the firewood is almost gone.
Take the last piece. We must find more.
I'll go now.
The cold is getting worse. We have to stay close.
I know. Here, take my hand. We share the warmth. The fire's dying, Katya.
I know. It's getting colder.
The frost is spreading.
We need more wood.
The box for the fire.
Together. Pull!
Yes! More!
It's burning! Alexei, the fire is low.
I'll tend it. We endure.
We will. We always have.
We made it, Katya.
Together, Alexei. Always.
The fire will hold.
With you.
They are all alive and healthy, every single one.
Yes, our survival is success.
Our bond with the herd endures. The storm is breaking, Katya.
A hard-won victory. We will endure.
The fire's catching again.
Good. Supplies are sorted.
We'll get through this. The wind rises. We must hurry.
I'll get the harness.
Check the straps.
They're secure.
The storm has passed.
We survived.
Look at this scale. The herd is ready.
Then we move.